Hi folks, spent a lot of time over the years stringing hair pipe for breastplates and chokers and things like that. And of course traditionally, nowadays people use imitation sinew, the wax nylon cord, and you can stick it through and it's pretty straightforward. But if you're interested in doing something a little bit more traditional, it's like, how the heck? So a couple of suggestions. Brain tan is really the only way. Brain tan is incredibly strong leather. If you had a commercial piece of leather cut this thin, it wouldn't support itself, so you could easily break that with your hands. But brain tan, and smoked brain tan even better, is just ideal for all sorts of traditional kind of craft stuff. But so the next step is you cut a piece of leather from a scrap of hide, and the key is, you know, I spent years and years, I'd cut the piece to an end, stick it in there, and then I would try and corkscrew it in with my fingers, and for 10 minutes I'd be twisting it in to try and get it into the bone hair pipe. And as you know, the real bone hair pipe has pretty small holes, so the plastic hair pipe, it's pretty easy, but real bone, it's just a pain in the neck, and it's really hard work to get this into that. So I did, and maybe everyone's familiar with this trick, but come up with a solution. So this is just single ply imitation sinew. You could even use fishing line or even a piece of thin wire if you wanted. But so basically what I do is take it, fold it in half, and so the loop is down here. Just kind of crease it so it's one fiber. And then I stick the fiber through the hole in the bone hair pipe, so it comes out on this end, and then open that so I've got a nice loop here. Then I take my hand cut brain tan leather, stick it in however far, an inch or something like that, and then just pull it back through with the imitation sinew. And saves a ton of time. So really, I think a really helpful suggestion. Another thought is when you're doing, again, traditional work, 100 years ago, they weren't using the hole punches, the rotary hole punches that would punch a nice round hole, for instance, but they would use an awl, an ice pick kind of thing. So if they were sewing up a garment or something like that, they would be, and they wanted to run a lace through, they would use an awl, and an awl doesn't really make a hole. All it does is separate a piece of the leather. So if you take your awl and poke a hole through it, through the leather, pull that out, that hole is not very big. And again, if you're trying to get this lace through that hole, it's going to take 10 minutes. But using that same trick, the same imitation sinew, fold it at the end, so we've got this one loop here. I'm going to pass this through the hole. Make a loop on the other side. Same deal. I'm going to pass a piece of that sinew through. Snug it through, and then usually if you just pull it quick, it'll come right through the lace. I can assure you that's a lot easier than just poking a hole with an awl and then just trying to feed the leather lace through. So it's a really helpful trick. I think you'll find lots of uses for it. So enjoy.